Everybody, we have another package today from eBay, which is a My Little Pony mermaid toy. We're gonna open it now. I'm sorry we couldn't go to the pool because it's raining, but here it is. This is a Pinkie Pie mermaid toy from the My Little Pony the movie. Are you ready to open it, Kuromi? Yes. Pinkie Pie. Yeah. Fluttershy. Yes. Elinor. Yep, let's see what it is. 4. Yeah. Dipsy. Yeah, let's do it. And 3. Yep, here we go. Alright, let me go get my tripod. Alright, here we go. I'm going to get my, let me use my hands. Or, let me think. Oh, I have an idea. Vector, not you. Sorry. Oh, that's kind of hard. Let me try with the United States flag. There we go. Let's see if it works. Sorry if it took so long. Oh, it's an Amazon box. I don't know why they added an Amazon box. The same how with the Vector robot did. We will show you the front anyway. But here it is. Here's the front of the toy. Alright, here's the mermaid. My tripod. Oops, sorry, making sure if this camera's right. Alright, there it is, everybody. This is the My Little Pony the movie mermaid toy. It has with lights that goes underwater. Here's the details in the back. This is the My Little Pony the movie. Pinkie Pie Seapony, also known as mermaid pony. Alright, so we're gonna open it. As you can see here, we were supposed to go to the pool today to test it, but unfortunately it's gonna rain, so we're gonna do that until probably Friday, Wednesday, or Thursday, because it's gonna rain all day. Alright, we're gonna open it now. Let's open this pink pony. Oh, it's just my cute robot. Alright, here's the pink pony. Oh, let's see. Kind of hard. Here we go. Put the box right here. Alright, here's the pink pony. It has with a brush. It's also brushable. I'm gonna stop the camera so I can get my mom to help. Alright, now it's open. Carefully. Oops, hold on. Alright, here we go. Now finally it's open. This Pinkie Pie swims in 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Awesome. And it includes with a paintbrush. I mean, hairbrush. Sorry. Let's open it. tape. Oops, forgot to cut the... Finally, I just opened the brush. Pinkie Pie's brush. And here's the instructions of the My Little Pony the movie. Even though the batteries are already on, it is waterproof. Pause the video if you want to, if you already have the Pinkie Pie mermaid at your house. Let me go check if Pinkie Pie Deep allows. I'm not sure. I'm gonna search it up on Google. Even though it's gonna completely work in 2026. Just like Pinkie Pie's head. I don't know if her head moves, but the tail works. Alright, now we're going to test in the bathtub. Now the bathtub is full. Are you ready to watch an action, Elinor? Yes. Oops, what happened? Just hooking on Elinor and Kuromi. Alright. Gotta be careful with this Pinkie Pie. Let's see if it works. Hope it doesn't get broke. Right, Kuromi? Yeah. Alright. Alright, so everybody. Today we're going to test this Pinkie Pie toy. As you can see her. Alright, here we go. Let's make it wider. Alright. Gotta make sure if it's cool. Alright, not bad. Here we go. Look at that, everybody. She's swimming. Wait. Let's try it on a little bit of water since. Alright, we're gonna do less water for recommended since I don't want her to get wet. Alright, here we go. Let's try again. There she goes. Huh? Does it work? Alright, let's try with her. Let's see if this part works. Well, it stops for a few seconds, but here goes Pinkie Pie. Let's try again. We'll do 2 more times. Alright. Here she goes. But it stopped. Alright, we'll try again. Alright, here we go. Let's make it closer. Alright, oops.
Hey everybody, I'm Pinkie Pie. I love to swim.
Alright, I think that's it for today, everybody. Hope you like this Pinkie Pie mermaid. And it comes with a hair as well. Alright, I hope you like this Pinkie Pie mermaid, also known as Seapony, from this My Little Pony the movie toy. Alright, that's it. We're gonna leave it here to wash it off, to dry her off. All right. Yes, that means that's it.
Goodbye, every pony. See you next time.
Anyways, that'll be it. Alright, everybody. I'm at Church Street. Even though Gardella Park is down here, unfortunately it is now raining. But today I brought the Pinkie Pie Seapony mermaid. We're gonna test it at the pool. I'm not sure if they allow this, unlike the other bath toys. Sorry, it's just a school bus. I'm not sure we're gonna go to the pool because it's starting to rain. Didn't make it on time before the rain starts. All right, let's see if we're gonna try. If not, then we're gonna go. We're gonna go tomorrow then. Till further notice. I'm not sure if they're gonna. At least I got my toy here, as you can see. We're gonna try. I'm not sure. Sorry, it's kind of a little bad day. Oh, are you sure? Look at that. Oh, you're sure now. Make it zoom in. Alright. There we go. Here's Pinkie Pie. Here we go. Alright, do a little bit more. Oops. Alright, we'll do a little bit more. At the end, we'll get Elinor, Pinkie Pie 3 and 4, since we gotta do this quick. Here's Pinkie Pie, as you can see. Alright. Think about my Pinkie Pie mermaid toy.
Awesome.
Alright, I'm the wrong button. I'm gonna do a quick swim before we head home. Alright, here we go. We'll try deeper. Alright, now we're going to test Pinkie Pie like this. Pie. Wait, keep rolling. Alright, we'll do a little bit more since. got it now. Alright, now we're gonna test Pinkie Pie in the bright. Alright, here we go. Keep rolling. Right, stop. Sorry everybody, I'm trying to think. Oh, stop. Alright, finally Pinkie Pie just fixed. Alright, we'll put her in this side. Let's try this. Is it on? Alright. Here we go. Now it's sunny brighter. Let's put Pinkie Pie here. Let's make it closer, like this. Oh, she's going backwards on a. Sorry. Look. Alright, let's try this. Make it closer. Luckily we landed on a jiffy, but the pool is about to close. But I hope you like this video of testing Pinkie Pie on a pool. The mermaid Pinkie Pie. Sorry my lenses are a little dirty. Sorry, since the camera's blurry, we might have to meet us at the end. Alright. Now I got everything finished changing. Alright. I hope you like testing my Pinkie Pie mermaid Seapony toy at the pool. Alright, now we gotta go get to the car because it's up the hill. It's only 3 minutes to get to the Church Street level. Anyways, we're gonna go now since it's late. The rain's about to come shortly, which is heading. A big storm's coming, so we better go quick. Otherwise, we're gonna be struck by a lightning. So, everybody is leaving the pool for safety. Once again, I hope you like my Pinkie Pie. iPhone storage is getting full now, but anyways, that's it. Hope you like testing of the Pinkie Pie Seapony toy. A waterproof toy from Hasbro. My Little Pony. Alright, that's it. We're gonna go up the stairs now, quickly.